Yan ba yung
Opo. Ito
Have you
po.
tried it?
Hi, hello, good morning. And today we are going on a self-date in London. So this is my first time alone. So magiging adventure talaga siya. And ang ingay pala dito kasi may nag-ano. Anyways, may tulips. Kita niyo ba? There's tulips. Buka ko ngayon ng Hadestown and 42 seconds na lang. And just in case, nandito din ako sa website na live na hindi ko makukuha yung lottery ticket. We arrived in London and ang init ah. It's already 11:30 and I have booked the tickets in advance. So we're now here at the National Gallery and I'm pulling up the ticket. The funny thing is, itong painting na to, pinag-aralan ko siya sa UST, yung History of Interior Design ko. And paulit-ulit ko yung talagang pinag-aralan. Kasi nasa YouTube video siya ng teacher ko sa online class niya. Time check, 12:30 and I'm already done with the National Gallery. I'm going to next door, which is National Portrait Gallery. And I think 15 minutes yung entry time. Ayan na. Nainitan na ako and we are going to third floor since nag-second floor na ako. Tudor Civil War Politics in Global Britain. It's already 1 p.m. and I'm on my way to Hard Rock Cafe kasi nandun yung One Direction telephone booth na red. And ayoko gawin yung one way or another kasi wala si Ate Nadine. So antayin ko siyang pumunta dito bago ko mag one way or another. Yep. Hi. So I'm at SJ. Our next stop would be Panadera here in Soho. So it's a Filipino bakery, kind of modern. And I want to try the corned beef and Milo cream drink, something like that. I got corned beef and Milo cream on top.
Eh, sabi nila, cold beef daw eh. Yun ba yung
Opo.
cold beef?
Ito.
Have you tried it before?
Not yet.
It's
First
nice.
time
Yeah,
po.
it's really nice. Your mom has had
Anything else?
and I think it's
Mama ain't raised no bitch. Mama ain't raised no bitch. From they raised no sticks. Better than they raised their kids. Doing what they fathers did. Don't fix no longer live. Just mama ain't raised a bitch. Mama ain't raised a bitch. When it's real, we raise a fist. Double back and make a flick. Run it back and
Hi guys, we are now on our way to Liberty and this is Casa and Kin. It's a really good Filipino food. Really good Filipino food. Also, for panadera, lasa siyang Filipino, hindi siya lasang Pinoy. Baka kasi mas healthy yung ginagamit na ng ingredients. Kasi diba sa Pilipinas, gusto mo matamis, gusto mo processed yung corned beef natin. Yan. Let's go up. We are now in Halicon Gallery.
No, stream that side like.
I'm now going to Relation Bar. Basta yung photo booth because I really want that and we can't go there ng Saturday, so I'm walking now. And ayoko din mag underground or mag tube kasi nagtitipid ako. And same lang din kapag nilakad ko. So whatever, lalakad tayo. Guys, hindi tayo successful. Customers only lang yung photo booth na yun, apparently. So, naglakad ako ng kalayo-layo para doon. Fortunately, talaga. But we are now going to the Wallace Gallery for the painting na inspired ni Oliver Rodrigo. Yung favorite painting daw ni Louis Patridge. So, yun yung art installation sa The Row. And, yun yung nasa bahay ni Kendall Jenner. Ang ganda niya, in fairness. Para siyang, ano yung purple na itlog? Itlog na maalat. Ganun atake niya.
Twinkling bright, we'll chase the moon through the night. Our hearts are light, the rhythm sweet. With every step, the world's our street.
Time check, 4:30. And madami naging ups and downs ngayon. But it's all good, guys. All good. At the end of the day, I still enjoyed it. And I'm super grateful and thankful na nakapunta ako dito. I'm now in Selfridges. And this is the 4th floor. I'm trying to find the Jellycat. Malabo lang yung mata ko. Kaya hindi ko mahanap kung ito ba yun. Pero feeling ko yun. Pagod na ako. We are going down sa lower ground for the photo booth. Guys, ang ganda. Super. So I was in a call with my sister, Ate Nadine, and we're now heading back. And we'll see if may makikita man ako. Then I'll stop over ng onte. Pero uhaw na ako. Yung pa ko ang sakit na, minumura niya na ako. Nakagano na siya. And partida naka-sneakers ako ngayon, so Andun yung Jollibee. Right there. And 6 minutes to go. Maaga na ako ngayon sa station. Wala pa yung train platform ko. Pagod na ako kaya magantay na lang ako. Kesa mapagod pa ako lalo. Tinitingnan ko kung anong station ako, anong platform, kung 4 ba or 5. Kasi hindi ako sure first time kong mag-isa sa pabalik. Lagot ako pag ma-miss ko yun. Pero feeling ko hindi naman. May 1804 dito eh.